Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Databricks through AWS or Azure account billing, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Databricks login page. Sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, access your workspace dashboard. Locate the account icon or user profile in the upper right corner. Click on the account or profile icon to open the drop-down menu. Select Manage Account from the options provided. In the account settings, find the billing section. Choose either AWS or Azure based on your cloud provider. If you selected AWS, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the billing dashboard within AWS. Here, you'll find your usage and spending details. Go back to the Databricks billing section. You will see an overview of your billing details related to Databricks services. For Azure users, log into your Azure portal. Access the Cost Management plus Billing section from the menu. In this section, you can review your usage and invoices. Return to the Databricks interface to track usage. To withdraw funds or credits, follow the instructions available in the billing section. Review any terms and conditions regarding withdrawals. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw or transfer. Submit your withdrawal request. Monitor your email for confirmation of the withdrawal process. Keep track of your account balance in future billing statements. This ensures you have an accurate understanding of your expenses. Regularly check both your Databricks and cloud provider dashboards. This will help you stay updated on your billing and usage. Make sure to reach out to customer support if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.